Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a recent backup of current network settings. This prevents loss if something breaks. Once done, connect directly with Ethernet or confirm a secure Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Open the operating system's network panel or the router's web interface at its LAN IP. This is where you'll make persistent changes. Make sure to note current values like IP, mask, gateway before editing so you can revert if needed. You now decide whether to use DHCP or assign a static IP. Static is best for servers and printers to avoid address changes. Enter the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway accurately, and then set primary and secondary DNS servers for reliable name resolution. Once done, check DHCP scope and VLAN assignments if you're on a managed network to prevent conflicts. Save changes and apply them so the device requests or accepts the new configuration immediately. You finish by applying the configuration and rebooting the device if prompted. This ensures all settings take effect. Then run quick tests. Ping the gateway, ping a public IP like 8.8.8.8, and resolve a domain to confirm DNS. Make sure to monitor for packet loss or slow responses. If things go wrong, revert to your backup settings immediately, verify physical connections, and clear the DNS cache. Those steps usually resolve most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.